built-in exceptions. Exception: unbound local error, raised when a reference is made to a local variable in a function or method, but no value has been bound to that variable. This is a subclass of name error. Exception: Unicode error, raised when a Unicode related encoding or decoding error occurs. It is a subclass of value error. Unicode error has attributes that describe the encoding or decoding error. For example, error.object, error.start, error.end gives the particular invalid input that the codec failed on encoding. The name of the encoding that raised the error. Reason: a string describing the specific codec error. Object: the object the codec was attempting to encode or decode. Start: the first index of invalid data in object. End: the index after the last invalid data in object. Exception: Unicode encode error, raised when a Unicode related error occurs during encoding. It is a subclass of Unicode error. Exception: Unicode decode error, raised when a Unicode related error occurs during decoding. It is a subclass of Unicode error. Exception: Unicode translate error, raised when a Unicode related error occurs during translating. It is a subclass of Unicode error. Exception: value error, raised when an operation or function receives an argument that has the right type but an inappropriate value, and the situation is not described by a more precisely exception such as index error. Exception: zero division error, raised when the second argument of a division or modulo operation is 0. The associated value is a string indicating the type of the operands and the operation. The following exceptions are kept for compatibility with previous versions starting for Python 3.3. They are aliases of OS error. Exception: environment error, exception: IO error, exception: Windows error. Only available on Windows. Thank you.